John Cleese here with Lake Effect Garden Design, and we are in beautiful, this is downtown Saugatuck. We're what's considered the hill. This house was actually built into the side of the hill, and it's actually an Airbnb, which I think is Sunset Oasis here in Saugatuck. And this is a pure native garden that we planted here. The main thing I wanted to show you about this garden, I wanted to tell you what my mistake was. So, there's no purple right now. And purple is a beautiful color, and also we want some more, the more flowers you can have for pollinators, the better. But I'm gonna come back here in the fall, and I'm gonna seed in Monarda, and I'm gonna seed in the purple coneflower all throughout this rest of this garden. So right now we would have this beautiful blue along with the yellow during, we're about ready to hit early August here in West Michigan. And I think it could use some purple. So we're gonna come back probably in November and put some more seeds in.